Poetic medicine, rapidly. We gathered the bereaved around a Zoom-lit screen to do something simple in the space in between. We read poems aloud. We wrote, we reflected in shared human presence, less alone, more connected. 3 sessions, 1 hour, a structured embrace, choice safety in words that could go at their pace. And what did we find when the numbers came back? Less weight in the chest, less fear on the track. Depression went down, pre-post anxiety too. P less than 0.05, it is true. And spirit, it shifted. More meaning, more peace. Grief wasn't suppressed, but expressed and released. Pilot outcomes show what poems can do, not erasing or fixing, but helping us through. So come to our poster if words are your thing. We promise the data has numbers that sing.